noticing and running a red light ended poorly for this biker, fortunately without any serious injuries.
Chiamo salvarea repede că... Chema salvarea de acolo. Salvarea de acolo, că e bele.
Although it's hard to understand the driver's behavior, the biker showed some great patience here.
What? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Malaki 60 miles per hour on a narrow, slippery road, and a driver who just drives onto the road and doesn't bother looking.
Ow! You absolute tosser.
And here is another situation where despite the difficult conditions on the road, the driver wants to test the biker's skills.
Switching with Chris Bliss. I was riding his RX and he was on my Huck. I was getting ready to switch back to my bike and then boom, I thought I got hit by a car right there until I saw the Grinch fly right by me. And here's the angle from Dina Bliss.
I like to say oh my god. Are you damn
Back behind me, that's my fault. I didn't realize there was
damn. Are you guys okay?
You alright?
I think I'm alright. Look at
Back around. Yeah,
Damn.
I'm sorry, man.
Are you okay? Are you guys?
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Wow.
Oh, check themselves. I think I recorded the whole thing too.
That was a hard hit.
Keeping the right distance between the bikers and fully focusing on the road made minimizing the losses during the fall possible.
Need some help? Yep.
The biker can't understand why the truck driver, even though the visibility is good, changes the lane and additionally slams on his brakes.
Fuck you, bitch! I got you on camera! I got you on camera! Yeah!
Intercom and try again later.
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.